We are pleased to show you the 2017 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, privacy glass, SLT preferred equipment group, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.